Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to get and use a Poe AI API key, step-by-step setup and integration guide. You can get and use a Poe AI API key by generating it directly from the Poe Creator platform and integrating it into any OpenAI compatible application. The single key grants you unified access to hundreds of premium AI models, including GPT, Claude, and Gemini, using your existing Poe subscription points. Step 1. Generate your Poe API key. Go directly to the official Poe API keys page and log into your Poe account. Now click on Create API Key. Save the generated key immediately. Never share it publicly or commit it to GitHub, as it connects directly to your Poe points balance. Step 2. Understand pricing and limits. Point consumption. The API directly utilizes your standard post subscription compute points. Paid models to call paid frontier models like Claude Opus or advanced GPT versions via the API, you must have an active post subscription or separate add-on points. Free users cannot access premium models through the API. Step 3. Integrate into developer tools. Because the Poe API features a fully OpenAI compatible architecture, you can drop your key into popular coding assistants and developer extensions seamlessly. Configurations for slide, root code, or continue. When setting up extensions like root code or slide inside VS Code, use the following standardized settings. API provider, select OpenAI compatible. Base URL, set strictly to https://api.poe.com /v1 slash. API key, paste your unique Poe API key. Model ID, enter the exact name string of your desired model. Example Claude Opus 4.5 or GPT 5.2. Code implementation example Python. You can see the code on the screen. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.